Hey friends, if you wish to install the Thorium browser on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So go to the link that I've shared in the description section of the video. This is for Windows. Now click on this option for Thorium mini installer. Okay. Wait till it loads. Once it has loaded, click on this exe file. It will need a few minutes to open the installer. We will wait till then. Okay, now the Thorium browser has been installed. It is based on Chromium, so it will look similar to Chrome, but it is different. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.